Hey natural lifestyle seekers, it's Jennifer Gilman here, and today I'm going to show you how to use essential oils in your drinking chocolate. My name is Jennifer Gilman and I own the Herbal Cabinet. If this is your first time popping by my channel, thanks for stopping by. I am a full-time holistic health coach, herbalist, and aromatherapist, and this channel is all about living an exceptional life naturally. So today we're going to dive into the types of drinking chocolate. I'm going to go over two of my favorites. I know it's confusing out there: cacao, cocoa, what do I drink? And we're going to go over just two of them and also two different essential oils. So my first favorite is actually called Choffee. All right, so here it is here. It's called Choffee, and all of the links will be in the show notes, okay? So my favorite Choffee drink is actually the Ivory Coast, and this is premium cacao that you brew just like you would coffee, all right? So you can put it into a brewing basket in your coffee maker and brew that and follow the instructions on the back. Or my preferred way is actually using a French press, okay? French press, I will link up a video. If you've never used a French press, you should really try it. I'll link up a video of how to actually brew coffee and cacao in your French press. So that's what I did, and that's how I really enjoy this Choffee. And it's a really premium drinking chocolate that has no natural cane sugar, no added sweeteners. It truly is just cacao. And then the other drinking chocolate I love, in case I want a little more sweetness in my life, is this brand here, okay? So what I love about doTERRA, it's a nice drinking chocolate. It's dark chocolate. They do add natural cane sugar, but it is all protected through the Rainforest Alliance of how they source the chocolate. And I really like that. If you don't know a lot about sourcing of cacao, it is just so laborious, and a lot of people are really, there's a big focus on it because many people are not treated fairly. So I love that what they're doing is exceptional. So again, it's doTERRA, and I'll put this link in the show notes. So what two oils did I choose? I chose cassia, all right, for one of them. And you might be like, well, why not cinnamon? Cassia is actually the outer bark of that same tree, and it tends to be sweeter. And so when I'm using it for cooking and flavoring in the dishes that I want to eat, whether it's baked goods or drinking chocolates, I like to use the cassia instead of cinnamon bark. But you use whatever you prefer, whatever taste you like. Now, this is a very, very potent oil. So what we need to do is actually use a wooden toothpick. So make sure you have a wooden toothpick. And once you make your beverage, say you have like 8 ounces in a mug. By the way, you guys, I've been drinking this. I couldn't not have it. It is so delicious that I brewed some in my French press, and I was drinking it before the show here. So I have already put some cassia in it the way I like it. But this is how you would do it. You take the orifice off the bottle, and then you dip that wooden toothpick all the way in and swirl that around. Get a good amount of cassia on that wooden toothpick, and then you go ahead and swirl it in your beverage, all right? And you can do that a few times if you'd like, just to get to the taste that you want. I like 2 toothpick swirls in 8 ounces of my Choffee. It's so good. See, that was the second one, and that is just perfect for me. If you were to put 1 full drop of cassia in there, I don't think you'd be able to drink it. It would be so strong. However, the second essential oil I'm going to introduce to you, you could do a full drop, and that would be wild orange. So if you're a lover of having orange with dark chocolate, like my husband, he loves orange with dark chocolate, but that's just not my thing. But he loves that. So we would put a full drop of wild orange in that beverage. And he loves that taste. He loves those two together. So if you love that too, you might want to try the wild orange. Now, the question of the day is, what drinking chocolate do you love? Because there's a lot out there, and we have an amazing community that wants to learn from you too. So in the comments, put down your favorite drinking chocolate so we can all learn from each other. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, go out today and make it exceptional. Bye for now.